Hello guys, welcome to Organic Housing. Let's go on a house tour of this amazing architectural drawing. I present to you a 5-bedroom duplex with amazing facilities, such as a double volume lounge with dining and bar. The kitchen is extraordinary and inviting, with a store. In this building we also have a laundry, study room and all the rooms are en suite. The master bedroom is designed in a luxurious way that makes it stand out from other rooms in the building with a well-designed space for jacuzzi. For more details, please contact us as written on the screen. Thanks. Organic Housing is always ready to give you the best.
Immobilization, chicken for new pressure, street orientation. Oh my nigga, sharp proper. Oh my nigga, sharp pro. Cover face like that baja. Get feel like but you know the cap. How you low no come back. You will chica come back. More bad than you think more bad. We living like no other. You want ya nara chupa chupa to power giving. I no need talk I'm you but no feeling good. Ah yeah yeah. Ah yeah yeah. Ah yeah.